Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the language in WhatsApp for 2025. Whether you're traveling abroad, prefer a different language, or just want to switch things up, this guide will have you sorted in no time. WhatsApp has made this process straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it yourself without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. If not, head to your App Store and update it. It's crucial for the 2025 features. Once you're all set, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You'll land on the main chat screen. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize all sorts of things. Now, scroll down and look for the App Language or Languages option. Don't worry, it's usually easy to find. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of available languages. Select the language you want to switch to. WhatsApp supports a ton of languages, from English and Spanish to Hindi and Arabic, so pick the one that suits you best. After you choose, the app might ask you to confirm the change. Just hit OK or Confirm, and voila, your WhatsApp interface will refresh in the new language. One thing to note: if you're using WhatsApp on a dual SIM phone or have multiple accounts, the language change might apply globally, so double check. Also, remember that changing the language won't affect your chats or messages, they'll stay the same. There you have it. That's all it takes to change the language in WhatsApp for 2025. It's a simple tweak that can make your app feel more personal and accessible. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.